friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new product. And the product that we are going to review today is a Idli Dosa Chutney mix available from MTR. So this is MTR's Masala powder. This is an Idli Dosa Chutney powder. So today we are going to review this product. So let's start off with the review. So guys, first of all, let's look at the packaging. It comes packaged in a nice plastic pouch here. Right here we can see the MTR logo right on top. Then the masala powder is written here. This is an instant tasty chutney. You can make instant tasty chutney from this. The product's name is Idli Dosa Chili Chutney Powder. Here they are shown an illustration of the chutney powder, how it looks, and here they are shown sprinkled upon some idlis. You can directly use it, sprinkle upon idlis and stuff. You can also make a dip out of it, the chutney dip out of it, by just using ingredients like oil, ghee or curd. Right, so it has a fresh ingredients, roasted, blended, pounded in 4-step process. It has been made, and it promises 5 quality tests, which is purity, color, aroma, texture and taste. Coming to the net quantity of this packet is 200 grams. The MTR chutney is 200 grams. The packet quantity is, it's a pure vegetarian. Here's the vegetarian symbol. Going on the back side of the pack, again we can see the MTR logo. Right here the name of the product, the Idli Dosa Chili Chutney Powder here. They have given an MTR tip here: use as a chutney with idli, dosa, roti, chapati, rice, dal or Vada Pav. You can use it with anything. It makes about 400 grams of chutney, because this is 200 grams, and in it you have to equally add 200 grams of oil as well. So it will make up to 400 grams of chutney for you, which will serve 35 to 40 idlis. Moving on, they have given directions to use. Now they have told you how to make it. What you need to do is just mix equal quantity of the chutney powder along with equal quantity of oil. Mix it up and your chutney is ready. You can use it with idli, dosa, anything, any South Indian dishes, or even with your plain chapati, it tastes well. You can also mix this chutney along with dahi, which is your curds, and you can use it for eating it with idli, dosa and stuff. So 2 ways of making it. You can either mix it up with oil or ghee, or you can mix it up with dahi or yogurt to make a nice amazing chili chutney out of it. So that is about it. And coming to the cost of the product. So how much does this idli chutney powder cost you? Chili chutney powder cost you for MTR. So the MRP of this is rupees 115 for 200 grams of chutney powder here, which makes you 400 grams of chutney. So the MRP is rupees 115, and let's look at the shelf life. So shelf life is 12 months. So it has a 12-month shelf life from the date of manufacture. Coming to the ingredients, let's look at the ingredients of the product. So the ingredients of this chutney powder is 84% is black gram dal. Then there is red chili, there is salt, there is mustard, lemon flavor premix added to it. There is tartaric acid, acidity regulators, and citric acid, curry leaves and asafoetida is added to it. It contains added flavor nature identical, which is lemon. So lemon flavor has been added in it. So yes guys, these are the ingredients of the chutney powder, and net quantity is 200 grams, and the MRP, again I'm going to tell you all, it's 115 rupees. So the MTR Idli Dosa Chili Chutney Powder comes for rupees 115. This powder is available in all leading retail stores and also available on online stores like Amazon. So if you all want to buy the MTR Idli Dosa Chutney Powder, you all can go to the link in the description below. You all can buy it from Amazon from there. So guys, I'm quickly going to make the Idli Dosa Chili Chutney using oil, and I'm going to show you how to make it. So stay tuned for that. So guys, here I have a bowl of I've taken 3 tablespoons of oil, and to which we are going to add in 3 tablespoons of the chutney powder here. So you all can see the chutney powder. This is the chutney powder, which is nice and very finely ground chutney powder. We are just going to add 3 spoons of it to the oil. So we are already added 2, and here's the third one. And then we just need to mix it well to make the chutney. So you can see this how nicely the color has come to it. Very nice color here, very spicy. It looks very spicy. And a nice color has come to the chutney here. And here is our chutney is ready. So our chili chutney using the MTR Idli Dosa Chili Chutney Powder is ready. You can see the consistency. If you want it to be thicker, you can add more powder. I would like my chutney to be thicker, so I'm going to add a little more powder in there. Make it a bit more thicker. Now I like the consistency is nice and thick. So now you can see that it has got a nice thick consistency. Now let's go ahead and do a taste test. So guys, now we are going to do a taste test. For the taste test, what I have here is sabudana vada. So along with the sabudana vada, I'm going to try out the idli dosa chutney powder chutney made from that MTR. So here it goes. Here's the sabudana vada. Here I'm going to dip it into the chili chutney and let's do a taste test. So guys, here it goes, the taste test for the MTR idli dosa chili chutney. Very yum, very spicy. Has got a nice color and aroma as well to it, and taste wise it's very yum. So I really like the idli chutney dosa. It was very simple to prepare it. No hassle at all. Just take some oil, mix the powder in it, and your chutney is ready, which is amazing. Taste wise it is amazing. It is on the spicier side. I think this packet is really worth it. Like, you can use it multiple times. You'll just need to keep it in a airtight container now. But taste wise it was amazing. I'll definitely give this a 5 on 5 for the MTR idli dosa chili chutney. I haven't seen another product like this in the market yet. So yeah. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.